Alright, this is our 7-box football mixer PYT number 3. We're going to start off with Donruss here. Oh, we need their guesses. Really cool. Alright, let's do our player guesses. It's going to be player guesses. There you go, get under that line there. So during the break, the football mixer gets a player in the chat. Rondell Moore's guess, Amon St. Brown. We'll open these packs first. There. Anyone else? Brown, guess a player. G. Perez, Zach Wilson, Mac Jones for Jake Couture. Tyreek side here, Nick B, Brown, Ricky. Oh, you're not in this one. Big Dog, Jake Couture. Jake Couture. Oh, you picked the Mac Jones. Anthony, King Gray, Yorker. 101 guessing time. I think a couple boxes ago we pulled a Trevor Lawrence redemption RPA out of here, but this was actually from a different case. I actually never got a full case. I got like half case, 4 boxes, and then 5 boxes, or something like that, from 3 different distributors. Only 4 guesses. Tylen Wallace, Matt Thom, got you. We got another Bowman Chrome Philly, Angels, Astros, Athletic, D-back, Giants, Nationals, O's, Red Sox, Rockies, and Tigers. And Tigers, no, not Tylers. It's actually good. I think we hit it downtown out of the other boxes. Alright, good luck, guys. We got a gold coming up. Extra 13, gold Randy Moss, number to 25, gold die cut. Zero cool. That's a cool one, man. David Mills, Kyle Pitts, that's how good. Since he's a starter now. Mike Williams, red. Stevenson. You see Harris go hard that one run? That week 1 or week 2? Trask. Oh, we have a Mahomes no name for the Chiefs, Ricky. These no names are like, I think they're 1 per box. The Kyle Pitts is the The portraits. Vigo Elliott, number 244, Cowboys, Yorker. And this auto? Yeah, Alex Smith, number 99 for Washington, a Yorker. Alex Smith autograph. He made that comeback. Javonte Williams, number 2/100, 81/100 for the Broncos, Dogfather. We got Deebo Samuel, number 75. Silver press proof for the 49ers. Tyreek. Elijah Moore. The Dalvin Cook jersey card. Number 2/299. Vikings, 0 color. Shorts. Trey Lance for the 49ers. Tyreek, red press proof. Trevor 101 for Brown, got you. Nice red color scheme. That's probably our Aquas here, yeah. Going into the Jets, Big Dog, Joe Namath's Aquas. You see the Panini Classics they're coming out with? Remember Classics? They brought it back, but it's only going to be like a 1-pack. People don't like that. Is Jamar Chase portrait for the Bengals, Brown 57. Got Orange Raider rookie coming up. Denny, Big Brown, Jamon Davis, orange number 52, going out to Washington, Yorker. Rookie purple coming up. Joe Tryon, number 2/500. Going out to the Buccaneers. Ricky. Diamondbacks, I got you, Haji, and Bowman Chrome. We put my group break checklist stuff. Let's go ahead and do the Leafs. Alright, let's do some Trinity. Oh, we don't get it. Alright, Angels, Astros, Athletics, Giants, Nats, O's, Red Sox, Rockies, and Tigers. Alright, for the Bengals, Joseph Asai. He's going at the Brown 57. Next up is Trayvon Grimes. Trayvon Grimes. Going out to the Eagles. Cheeto Gaming. Oh, there's a nice pack coming up. We got a Patrick Jones for the Vikings. Zero cool. Aside. Tigers, got you, Haji. Nice. Getting a little closer there. Nice patch here. Look at this. Number 2/25. Paulson Adebo. Do you want to die? Do you want Paulson Adebo? Saints. Got you. And you got Trey Lance, number 25. Nice Trey Lance there, Tyreek. What's up, Paul? How's it going, man? Welcome back. Red Sox, S-T-O-E-D-E-R. Alright, we're going to do leaf metal. We'll do some leaf metal. I think I had a couple of cards, but I don't think there's any hits. We got a Jacoby Stevens. Jacoby Stevens. Going into the Eagles. Cheeto Gaming. We got Packers, Keelan Hill, Brown 57. What does that mean to number 40? Tigers are taking their Billy Clubs. We have a Nico Collins for the Texans, Ricky. Number 30. When you got a Benet Sewell, Lions? So let's forget him. Yeah, the Lions. Brown 57, number to 50. I'm getting all the cards. And Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. G. Perez. That's number to 30. 22 to 30. There you go. There's your Kyle Pitts, G. Perez. Alright, let's see what we do next. Ultimate. Yeah, I think they some other people got hurt too. Patrick Surtain. Patrick. That's the Broncos, right? Yeah, the Broncos. Godfather. For the Cowboys, Sirius Mitchell, number 25. We got Hakeem Boyd, number 25. The Lions, Brown 57. Warren Jackson, number 299. Going to the Broncos, Godfather. Athletics. Ron Wilson, what's going on, man? And we have a Zach Wilson, number 99. For the Jets, big dog. Alright, let's do the last leaf box, the Splash. Bowman Chrome, we're getting close.
Discover the Lexus LC luxury from the meticulously engineered clip of the paddle shift. Especially smooth exhaust, no detail. The Lexus experience the most passionate expression of the Lexus brand.
Panay Sewell for the Lions, Brown 57. Is he the one that got hurt? I think he got hurt. Rondell Moore for the Cardinals, number 75. Really cool. KJ Costello. Oh, we got 2. No teams. Hakeem Boyd. Who's this guy over there? Lions, yeah. Brown 57, Lions. And a Terrence Marshall, number 75. Going up to Brad Green, Panthers. Right. Let's go ahead and see the certified. Terrence Marshall. Damian Harris, number 199, Patriots. Ed Green. Donald Goldtein. Yeah. Tyler Boyd, jersey card, $2.99 for the Bengals, Brown 57. 2021, Jalen Hurts. Patrick Mahomes space. Yeah. We're going to have a couple catches at least. How many catches do you have? Go to Tutu Atwell. Brown 57, number 25. Nice gold for Brown. Yeah, he played for the Panthers. Tucker, number 249 for the Jets. Big dog. For Mahomes. 4 yards, 48, 40 reception, 40 yards. Yeah. Mahomes, nice Mahomes, number 75, 5 of 75. Going out to Ricky. We have Antoine Randall L. Remember this guy? 1/50 going out to the Steelers. Key grade. Can we found some stickers of him? We got a walk for the Vikings. Real cool. Jeff Okudah. Well, Jeff Okudah, the one that got hurt. Number 249 for the Lions. Brown 57. Nico Collins, number 349, autographed jersey for the Texans, Ricky. There you go, Ricky. Last pack. Keenan Allen, number 249. For the Chargers, James Wilkins. It's in here. It's in here, Brown. I'm not too sure actually. We got Anthony Schwartz. This is number 27 for the Browns. Vertical. We have a Tyreek Hill, number 250 for the Chiefs. Ricky. For the Raiders, number 75, Derek Carr, Ruggs, Edwards. Raiders been pretty good. Derek Carr been pretty good. We have number 299. Jeremiah something for the Browns. Vertical. And our last hit is going to be a Michael Carter, number 279 for the Jets. Big dog. And there we go. So the bounty goes up to 400 now for football. Let's go ahead and do a little recap. And I'll do a who gets that KJ, this guy right here. I think it's too much. Alright, let's do a little recap here. Michael Carter, auto. This guy's Jeremiah, Raiders card, Tyreek Hill, Anthony Schwartz, number 27, Keenan Allen, jersey card, Nico Collins, RPA, Randall L, Patrick Mahomes 35, Tutu number 25, Tyler Boyd, Terrence Marshall, King Boyd, Rondell Moore, Finay Sewell, Zach Wilson 99, Warren Jackson, King Boyd, Mitchell, Patrick Surtain, Kyle Pitts, Finay Sewell again, Nico Collins again, Keelan Hill, Astros for Brown, got you. Stevens, Trey Lance number 25, that's a pretty nice patch there. Jones, Grimes, redemption here of Joseph Asai, Tryon, Jamon Davis, Chase, Aqua, Namath, Trey Lance, Red, Gavin Cook, Debo Samuel, and Javonte Williams, number 100, Ezekiel Elliott, autograph, Alex Smith, Kyle Pitts, David Mills, no name, Patrick Mahomes, and a gold, Randy Moss. We did a Astros for Brown, got you. I'm all full here. Let's see who gets that one little KJ card real quick. PYT number 4, I think we got 4 up. On the website right now. Seven times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Bright green will get this, KJ. Thank you guys. Mixer.